Good morning, students. Welcome to your civics class. In previous period, you learned about private health service. Okay? Private health service, it is not affordable to the common people because of their high cost medicine. Okay? And so that so many people they can't afford this private health service. Okay, and so that in our India there is a problems of health facilities. So what can be done? It's the question. What can be done? There is little doubt that the health situation of most people in our country is not good. You know that our health condition or health facility, it is not good. Okay. It is the responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare service to all its citizens. It is the major responsibility of the government. ये गवर्नमेंट की जिम्मेदारी है कि सभी इंडियंस को हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड करें. It is the responsibility of the government to provide quality health care, not only health care, quality health care. Government have to provide quality health care service to all its citizens. Especially the poor and the disadvantaged. Okay, जो लोग बहुत गरीब हैं, especially उनके लिए. Okay, especially the poor and disadvantaged people. However, health is as much depend on the basic amenities and social condition of the people. Okay, as it is our healthcare service. So, it is the government duty that government have to provide this basic healthcare service to all. Okay. So now we are going to learn about the Kerala experience. Okay. What is done by the Kerala government for the betterment of the health service? Okay. The Kerala experience. In 1996, the Kerala government made some major change in the state. What was the change? 40% of the entire state budget was given to Panchayat Raj. Okay, Kerala government ने 40% of the budget जो है 40% budget उन्होंने पंचायत को दिया. Okay, they could plan and provide for their requirement. Why he do this? Okay, 40% of the entire state budget was given to the panchayat. For what? They could plan and provide for their requirement. उनकी क्या जरूरतें हैं उस हिसाब से वो प्लान कर पाए. And so that Kerala government give 40% of its budget to the panchayat. This made it possible for a village to make sure that proper planning was done for water, food, women's development and education. After that, they keep a watch on them whether they are expending this money on education, on health, okay, and so that they keep watch on that, okay, for food and for women's development also. This means that water supply scheme that also check, okay. Water supply scheme is proper or not, that also checked by the government. The working of schools and Anganwadis was ensured and specific problems of the village were taken up. Okay, Anganwadi ठीक से चल रही कि नहीं, school वगैरह ठीक से चल रही नहीं, ये सब वो देख रहे थे. Okay, so they keep on watch. Okay, on the panchayats. What they are doing of their budget, क्या कर रहे हैं, जो पैसा उनको दिया गया है वो प्रॉपरली वो खर्चा कर रहे कि नहीं, ये सब वो वॉच कर रहे थे. ओके, हेल्थ सेंटर्स वेर आल्सो इम्प्रूव. इससे क्या हुआ, हेल्थ सेंटर ओके दैट आल्सो इम्प्रूव एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस हेल्प टू इम्प्रूव द सिचुएशन. अब इस सबसे क्या हुआ, सिचुएशन डेवलप. ओके, सिचुएशन इम्प्रूव. Despite these efforts, there were some problems such as the shortage of medicines, insufficient hospital beds, okay, beds not enough, and doctors they are not enough. Okay, that remained. Okay, ये थोड़ा कम बाकी था, इट वॉज डिपेंड एंड दिस नीडेड टू बी एड्रेस। तो जो जो शॉर्ट कमिंग्स थे वो उन्होंने उनको एड्रेस किया। ओके, फॉर मोर डिटेल यू कैन गो टू द देयर इज अ site keralagovernment.in, okay, and there you can see what was the Kerala experience. Okay, and now there is another example of the another country. Okay, and what was their approach to issue of health के issue के बारे में the Costa Rican approach क्या था वो अभी हम देखेंगे। Okay, so now you know that what was the Kerala experience. Okay, now about the Costa Rican approach. Costa Rican approach. Okay, so what was the Costa Rican approach? Okay, for their health service. The Costa Rica is considered to be one of the healthiest country in Central America. Central America का ये healthiest country है Costa Rica. Okay, the main reason for this can be found in the Costa Rican Constitution. In the Costa Rican Constitution, it is given that they have to provide essential health care facilities to the people. Okay. Several years ago, Costa Rica took a very important decision and decided not to have an army. उन्होंने ये बहुत ही बड़ा डिसीजन लिया था, not to have an army. वहाँ आर्मी नहीं चाहिए। This helped the Costa Rican government to spend the money that the army would have used. तो जो पैसा वो आर्मी के लिए यूज कर सकते थे वो पैसा उन्होंने हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज के लिए यूज किया। ओके, ऑन हेल्थ, एजुकेशन एंड अदर बेसिक नीड्स ऑफ द पीपल। लोगों की जो हेल्थ है, एजुकेशन है और जो बेसिक नीड्स है लोगों के, उन पर उन्होंने खर्चा किया। तो कोस्टा रिकन गवर्नमेंट ने आर्मी पर खर्चा नहीं किया, तो जो लोगों की बेसिक नीड्स है, हेल्थ, एजुकेशन एंड द बेसिक नीड ऑफ द पीपल। ओके, the Costa Rican government believed that a country has to be healthy for its development and pays a lot of attention to the health of its people. उन्होंने इस बात का खास ध्यान रखा कि people should be healthy. Okay, and so that Costa Rican government pay lot of attention to the health of its people. लोगों के स्वास्थ्य के लिए, लोगों के हेल्थ के लिए उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा काम किया। Okay, they have to pay a lot of attention for the people, okay, and their health. The Costa Rican government provides basic service and all these basic service and needs, okay, to all Costa Rican. जो भी लोगों की needs है, basic needs है, उसके लिए Costa Rican government ने खास ध्यान रखा। For example, it provides safe drinking water, sanitation, nutrition and housing. लोगों को साफ सुथरा पानी चाहिए, okay? Safe and clean drinking water, okay? Then sanitation also, nutrition and housing. ये सारी जो बेसिक नीड्स है वो कोस्टा रिकन गवर्नमेंट ने लोगों को प्रोवाइड किया। Health education is also considered very important. And knowledge about health is an essential part of education at all levels. और उन्होंने हेल्थ एजुकेशन का जो नॉलेज है, ठीक है, वो इसेंशियल किया है कि सभी लोग हेल्थ के प्रति जागरूक रहे। सो दैट वाज द कोस्टा रिकन अप्रोच। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।